Hello, my name is Cristina and I am a member of Coco Collective. I'm going to introduce you some activities that are inspired in the practice of the sound healing. They are very simple to do and will bring great benefits to your general well-being as well as being an easy practice to relax at home. We are going to open and close each session chanting a nom, just as a way to ground ourselves and to connect with our inner self as well. Today, I'm going to start with a couple of activities to indulge you in the practice of conscious listening. You only need to be sitting in a comfortable place and make sure you're not going to be disturbed. Also, having pen and paper can be helpful if you want to write any ideas or thoughts that might come up while you're doing the exercises. And now, make yourself comfortable and let's begin. Om. What you need to do. Find a relatively quiet place where you won't be disturbed. Sit comfortably in a chair. Look around and observe the different components of this space as you may perceive them. Now, close your eyes. Instead of using your eyes and your sense of sight to receive, encode, and explore information from the outside world, use your ears and your sense of hearing. Is there a difference? What do you notice? Become aware of all the subtle nuances and sound that may be occurring. Do you hear your refrigerator humming or the clock ticking? Is there a dog barking in your neighborhood? Do you hear your neighbor's TV? Be as still as you can. Become aware of your breath. The quieter you become, the more conscious you will be of the myriad sounds in your environment. The more you focus on these sounds, the more this awareness will change the information you receive about your environment and your world. As you practice this exercise, slowly begin to shift your focus of awareness from the sounds nearest to you to the sounds furthest away. What can you hear in the distance? Are you able to visualize or feel the energy of whatever it is you're hearing? Now, Bring your focus of sonic awareness back to the sounds of the space you are sitting in. Practice this form of deep listening and become aware of the changes that occur with your consciousness through this exercise. I would like to suggest that after you have practiced conscious listening, allow some time to simply be still without focusing your attention on listening. Instead, simply focus on your breath and allow any thoughts, feelings, and experiences you may have to resonate in your psyche. Spend a few moments journaling whatever may have occurred for you. This will indeed be a welcome reminder for you. Spend a week doing this practice. Daily repetition of this exercise will provide beneficial results, heightening your awareness of the listening process and the power of sound. Each time you practice opening to the wall of listening, you will expand your resonance with the world of sound. Before you listen to this piece, I ask that you first check yourself out. How are you feeling? I'd like you to notice any effects on your nervous system that may occur as you hear this recording. Note how you're feeling before, during, and after listening to it. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like, please click and subscribe and give us a thumbs up.